In this video, I'm going to show you all the different styles of car roof linings that come out on a Ford Territory. So over here, we've got the front sunglasses console with the map lights, courtesy lights underneath the front sun visors. Then if you come to the middle section, you've got a dual map lights. Let us know if you have got an aftermarket DVD player installed, like a roof DVD player. They can also come out with a aftermarket cargo cage barrier as well. There'll be evidence of that one, so just let us know if you have got that. Then this board over here has the front dual map lights, just a tiny dual map lights. And then in the middle section, you'll have that larger dual map lights. Once again, this one has got evidence of a cargo cage barrier being installed. All Territories have those 4 middle plugs, like the 2 middle plugs at the middle and then 2 at the back. So 4 little plugs on the board. And also on the later model Ford Territories, the ones that came out in the FG era, they have slightly different sunglasses case, which means it's a slightly different board. And here's how you can identify that Ford Territory version that looks very similar to the FG models and would use the number 6 material light oyster. So those 4 clips at the back, the 2 in the middle and the 2 at the far back that kind of hold the board in place, they can come out in 2 shapes. On the number 6 material, the FG type of material, the light oyster, it would be the circle version. So if you have the circle clips, well then you're definitely probably going to have that number 6 light oyster material. And the number 7 material would have the oval shape plugs, which would be the earlier Ford Territories. Another thing that does change on these is the sunglasses console. So you can't use the same board for the earlier model Ford Territories on the new models because the sunglasses consoles are different. You can see that the earlier ones have a larger cutout, a different backing plate, so you wouldn't be able to there'd be a lot of messing around to actually make that adapt. So the earlier models use the number 7 cappuccino light gray with the little oval plugs, and that's pretty much the best way you can identify the colors and what to purchase for these, or if you are bringing in the job to us, to let us know what style of headline and board you have. Because we've found that not all the later models have the FG version sunglasses console, and some of them still have the oval plugs with the number 7 cappuccino. So this is a really good way to identify which style of fabric we're going to use, what style of board as well. You can see them up close on the left there, number 6 light oyster, and then on the right we have number 7 cappuccino light grey, and you can see the difference there as well. So that's pretty much it. So now I'll show you all the different styles of fabrics. So when a Ford Territory comes through for a car roof lining repair, there's usually 2 selections of material that we use that we replace the headlining with to match up to the original factory material and all the plastics left behind. So all the earlier models, we usually use a number 7 cappuccino light grey flat knit, which can give off that beige appearance inside the car. And now if you've got a later model Ford Territory, the ones that are around about the 2014 or give or take a few years, they're also the same cars that came out with a diesel as well. They have the number 6 light oyster flat knit, so the same material as a Ford Falcon FG. It gives off that tan appearance inside the car. Also, if you're looking for the glue for a do-it-yourself project, we also have that available as well on our eBay page. The glue brand will be called Tensorgrip T65. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.